Okay, good. It's just a nude. Ooh. That kind of worries me. Hey lovelies, Glamour to Karen Chan here, and I'm very excited because I got a package. I am a huge fan and supporter of Jeffree Star and Jeffree Star Cosmetics. When he first got started, I got the 3 shades bundle when he first released his liquid lipstick collection. And since then, I bought lipsticks from every release until like, I don't know, but 2 years ago when I started running out of money. But yeah, so I am a very big supporter of him. I have like tons more, but I don't feel like grabbing a whole bunch. I'm wearing his liquid lipsticks right now on my eyebrows. I'm wearing, this one is Watermelon Soda, and I'm really sad because I don't know if I can get this anymore, here. And then Unicorn Blood in the middle, and Weirdo on the tail. So, yeah, that's what I use. So, I couldn't find my regular knife, so I just grabbed a throwing knife that I have around. So here we go, I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh, I have to be really careful with this throwing knife. I could have grabbed just like some scissors or something, but no! I gotta be me and go all friggin' hardcore and get this part open. Okay, so here it is. Oh, it's kind of weird. Ooh, I see some lipsticks, yay! Okay, so, ooh, girl, I got me a Jeffree Star pop socket. I'm so excited because this one is old and just like wearing away. And okay. Yes! So I got some Skin Frost. I'm so excited. I've wanted Skin Frost for a long time. What is Regina George? Let's see. We'll do it right there. Regina George. Okay, so I'm really excited because I did like this shade a lot, but it was a little too expensive for me to get. So I'm gonna open this pink. Let's do some ASMR. I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. Oh! Oh! It is so pink. I'm so glad. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh my god. That's great. I'm gonna do it on the other side. I'm so excited that I got a highlighter by him because I've wanted one for a long time. Do the nose a little bit. Oh, and it's so pink. Exactly what I love. Even though like I love like black and white and like goth aesthetic, I love pink, and I think it's very appropriate that he put up one of his beautiful bright pinks in this mystery box for Valentine's Day, because it is Valentine's Day. So yeah, I have my bare face on so that I could try this on. I'm wearing a lot of makeup. But okay, so now we have a lot of liquid lipsticks, which I'm very excited for because I love liquid lipsticks. So we have 1, 2, 3 liquid lipsticks and a bullet, which is great because I have a couple of his bullets, his lip ammunition. So I'm gonna do that really quick because these are a little easier to take off. And this shade is called Jeffree's Girl. Oh my gosh, it feels like Christmas. It's so pink. Pink is my favorite color. All right, let's try this out. It's so soft. It smells like puppies in heaven. It smells like frosting or something. I don't know. Oh, look, I feel like Regina George right now. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's such a beautiful color. It's beautiful. I love it. No way! No way! Oh my gosh, you guys. It's watermelon soda. There's no... I cannot believe that. I got a new watermelon soda. This is what I use for my eyebrows. Oh my god! How funny that I was just talking about it. Oh my god. I wonder if it still smells like, because I got the one that when it first came. Oh, look liquid lipstick. It does! It still smells beautiful. You guys, I just dropped my highlighter. Oh no! My brand new highlighter. Let's see if it's okay. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm like, oh, it's fine. It's perfect. I'm gonna put you over there. Okay, I'm gonna open up Clout. This is the shade Clout. Oh my god. So, it is a little, not streaky, it's not as matte as the other ones, but, ooh, it is pretty. I just want to put one more layer on there. It's like a metallic glitter. It's so pretty. Yeah, 2 layers do it. I do have residue of the other lipstick though, but hello, come on, focus. Oh, thank you. Welcome back. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Dang it, I let it dry. This formula just so perfect. It dries so quick and lasts so long. I don't know what happened to my makeup wipes. Whatever, okay. So here's Can't Relate. So pretty. All right. So let's get our Can't Relate on. Oh my god. Okay, good. It's just a nude. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie to you, that wasn't a clean open. Like, kind of worries me, and I don't know if I want to be putting this directly on my lips. Was this a return? Look at this difference. Okay, so the fresh, clean wand, and like there's a little bit of product right on there. See, there, like you can tell I just pulled that out. That's brand new. Same with this one. Yeah, see, look, you can tell I just did that. And when I opened it, it felt like it had been opened before. Look at this. Like, what's going on there? I have very sensitive skin and I break out very easily. And I don't want to be catching no herpes from somebody I don't even know. So I'm not going to put this on my lips and I'm going to write them. That stinks because this is a beautiful shade, but that's not okay. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. I'm like, I don't know what to think because I'm so upset about how this has clearly been used before. I'm at a loss for words because I'm such a huge supporter of him and his brand, and what's going on, Jeffree? Why do I have to use liquid lipstick? I love you, but what? 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 I'm not gonna use this. I have to. I'm so upset. Otherwise, everything's great. What a letdown. I'm so sad that I did that one last. So my camera died. I have to do this quickly. Thank you for watching. Comment below what you think about this, what I should do. Like the video if you like it. Axel says bye. Bye. Subscribe. Bye.